Hi, friends. Join me today as I challenge myself to make the most fun and easy interactive journal page in just a few minutes. Here is what you'll need: a prepped page that is torn out of your journal, a glue stick, reinforcement holes are great, washi tape, some scissors, some scrap ribbon, a paper clip, and that's about it, guys. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue down this piece of scrap so that I can have something in my journal. This could be a piece of paper. It could be a drawing you have done. It could be a magazine page. I like this because I really like the color right now. I'm going to trim it at the top. Okay, so that's the first step. Now we're going to make our little interactive page. I have this book page that I put white acrylic paint on. We're going to fold it up and we're going to fold it down, and then we'll fold the back page down. Okay, super easy. Next, you're going to turn it so that your flat page is right here against your art journal book. Okay, so let's do that one more time. We're going to fold it in half. We're going to fold it down. We're going to fold it down. I'm going to take this and I'm going to rotate it to the left. And I'm going to glue down this part, just like this. Okay, so now what you have is the cutest little unfolding page. Oh, but wait, there's more. Oh yes, always more. Now, the fun part is adding all the tapes. I have this cute washi tape, and I'm going to put it across the top, like so. Open this up, bring it up, okay, so that makes that little fold. And then I'm going to put another one on this fold. So I'm going to trim off this edge. This one I'm not going to go around because we need it to open, so I'm going to cut it here. And I trim it here. Then I'm going to open this up. And I'll put my next little bit here, right next to it, and just leave a teeny tiny space so that it has a chance to fold. Look at that. I'm even lining up the dots. Are you so proud of me? I am. Trim that. I'm going to trim this. And then the last little bit I'm going to put, I think, is right here. You can add it in as many places as you want. Give it a little trim. And let's add one more to this back piece. That also helps to just kind of stabilize it a little bit. All right, now what we're going to do, you're going to love this. Okay. We are going to take our scissors and you're going to come over on this right side, gather up these folds, cut it straight down the middle. I know, it's scary, but you can do it. And you're going to have two separate flaps. And if you're like me, you rip the paper a little bit, but you can glue it. Now, if you don't want this one flapping in the wind, you're going to take your little tiny paper clip and some very pretty ribbon. I think I'm going to use this ribbon. I'm going to put it in here, tie a little knot. Little cutie pie knot. Trim it. And this you can hold right here. Sometimes over the tape is better. It's a little bit stronger. This page is pretty old. All right, the last thing we're going to do, don't have to do this, but a hole punch is fun. You could also make another little paper clip and put both of them this way. That would be fun as well, so that they would stick out on the edges there. That would be really cute too. Okay, but what I'm going to show you is a cute little handle. And you're just going to punch your hole here. Now, since I have this tape on here, it kind of reinforces the hole, but I think it's fun to add just a little bit more. So I'm going to add this little pretty hole reinforcer. And I think I'm going to stick to the same ribbon. And I'm going to pull this through right here. Tie another little knot gently because we're on the edge of an old page. Trim this. And guess what? We're done. We are done. This is super fun. You can add little notes in here. You can add a picture. You can add all kinds of things, stickers, whatever you would like. But whatever you put in there, just do it because it's super fun. So don't forget, like and subscribe. Check out my other videos with some really fun, fast, easy things to do with things around your house. And we have fun almost every week here. Come on back and I'll see you next week. Bye.